If you found that you've been afraid of fats because you read fats are bad and you've cut out the omega-3s, realize not all fats are the same.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. So I just got off the line with someone who's struggling with pain and gut issues at the same time. Very common. In fact, a lot of people think pain comes from abnormal gut issues. And what she found is she went to my classes and she started doing her own version of trying to do my protocol, doing huge amounts of leafy greens like kale and spinach and broccoli. And she was drinking at least 3 liters or 96 ounces of water a day. And what she found is her pain disappeared. Knee pain, back pain, gone. Energy is through the roof. Brain fog, gone. But she finds that if she gets a little bit of stress or if she eats a little bit of nuts or eats a little bit off plan, boom, back pain comes back. She was missing the omega-3s. Remember, you can't cherry pick from this nutrition plan. If you want to completely reverse the disease, you have to do all the aspects of it. The omega-3 is your anti-inflammatory immune system. If you don't have omega-3s, you can't clear out inflammation. So what happens typically with someone who doesn't eat omega-3s is that they'll find that they feel good eating a plant-based diet or even doing a lot of raw foods and hypernourishment. But if one little thing goes wrong, they're back to being in pain again because they can't get rid of inflammation efficiently. So for her, it's just figuring out how to incorporate omega-3s without causing gut distress. And that's the plan we were working on. But if you're finding that, if you found that you've been afraid of fats because you read fats are bad and you've cut out the omega-3s, realize not all fats are the same. Omega-3s are essential for getting a fast metabolism that can eliminate inflammation and get you to the health that you really want, where even a bad day doesn't set you on a spiral back into bad health. I hope that helps you. I can't wait to see her feeling 100%.